Hello and thank you for tuning back into the channel. For those of you that are new around here, my name is Jacob Sotiris. I'm a previous salesperson, a digital expert and a mentor and coach to plenty of industry newcomers and also people that are looking to upskill themselves in the automotive space. Today, I would like to talk about something that's really poignant in our space at the moment. And with everything that's been going on, people have not been able to interact with dealerships in the same way. We want to focus on how you can build trust to help you sell more cars. Now, specifically, building trust using video. Now, one thing I've been keen over my career in doing is using video to interact with customers. Most dealerships now embrace video to a degree. There's not a huge amount of training in place, which is a shame. We offer that training, but plenty of the dealerships out there will use certain systems because it's bridging that gap between the digital world we now live in and the physical in-person world. We've been used to customers being able to walk into the dealerships, but now they can't necessarily do that. So what do? Well, we have to build some kind of bridge between the two. Or if customers don't want to, because we all know that the industry is changing. Consumers are becoming more inclined to use digital technology to do their research before investing in a vehicle, which is the second biggest purchase of many of their lives. So if we can build that kind of connection with them, build that bridge between their physical demands and the digital demands, we can absolutely win. And at this present moment in 2021, we have the opportunity to completely eradicate the competition because so few people are doing this properly. Now, building trust isn't as easy as just putting yourself on video or contacting the customer and expecting them to trust you. It doesn't work like that. Sadly, it would be very easy if it did. We need to build a relationship. Just like with your spouse. You didn't, when you first met them, have this level of trust. You didn't trust them because you didn't know them. So you had to build a relationship with them. Now, how do you do that? Let's say in the car setting. A customer is inquiring about a vehicle that you have. They don't know you or your dealership from Tim. Tim is now my character I've just invented for this purpose. So they don't know you from Tim. You need to show them that not only are you a friendly, personable person that they could have a relationship with, and I'm not talking romantic, I'm just talking have a personal relationship with. You also need to build enough trust that they can rely on you to look after their motoring needs. This is a big investment, as we've said. So the customer needs to feel like they can trust you to look after the financial aspect, making sure that the car is right, that they don't drive off the forecourt and it falls apart. How can you trust someone if you've never met them? The first thing you're going to want to do is show yourself, okay? Over a phone or over an email is very impersonal. There's no way of them knowing who you really are. They see your name, but that doesn't mean anything, okay? That name has to belong to someone. So if you're going to show a video of a car that they've inquired on, you want to show them around, don't just talk from behind the camera. Show yourself. Say, hi, my name is, look, you put a name to the face and they've gone, right, that is this person. That is Tim. I wonder what Tim's all about. Next comes your knowledge. You need to have a good knowledge of your product. If they're going to trust you with their car buying purchase, they need to know that the person they're dealing with knows the product themselves, because customers are so informed now. A lot of them know more than the salesperson, and we don't want that to be the case for you. You have to know more than them, or at least the same. Okay, so they can't catch you off guard and go, this guy knows nothing. If you don't know the smallest thing, that's everything to them. This guy will go, no, nothing. They don't know this product. They don't know this brand. I'm not going to trust them with my money. They don't even know that. And it can be the smallest thing. Does the car come with 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels? I don't know. So you need to know your product really well. So in that video, you've introduced yourself. You're going to have a bit of info about the product. They're going, right, this person is friendly. They look personable. They come across really well. All right, yeah. Oh, they know about the car. Brilliant. Well, they know the product, so they clearly like the product enough. So I'm buying into them now. And then you're going to go through the process of showing around the video, addressing any of their needs throughout that they've maybe explained earlier in the email, and you're going to close things off. Don't ever leave it where they don't see your face again. At the end of that video to this customer has inquired, they're interested in your car. They want to know that this person they can trust. You've shown your face. Okay, this person's happy enough for me to see who they are. You've showed them around the vehicle. Now you're going to end it by just going behind the camera and bye. No! Show yourself again. Say, again, my name was Tim. This is the car. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm here at your beck and call if you need anything else. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me personally and I will look after you. They will feel this. Now you've built some level of relationship that wasn't there before. And they will feel confident instead of contacting someone else within that dealership. They'll know, oh, well, no, I know Tim. He's all right. He can show me around that car. So you've built something there. That bridge has been made, a gap. I can't think of the right word. A bridge has been made, okay, between the physical connection that you would have had and the digital world that you're working in. And that trust has been built. Simple as that. That's how you do it with video. It's just bringing you to the table. Don't just think about the car in this present. You're presenting a car, fantastic, but you also have to present yourself, because they know that there's a car. You're going to show them it in more detail. Great, that's still the car, but I don't know this dealership. I don't know this person. You have to make them know you enough that they can start to trust you enough to ask more questions that you can answer. So be friendly, get involved, and build that trust that's needed to go through the rest of the process. Hopefully that's been really useful to anyone that's considering using video or is using video and just not getting that response rate that they wish they had from inquiries, because it's such a simple trick. Just showing yourself vehicle, then show yourself again for an outro, and just be friendly, be personable, and you'll have so much success this way. If you've enjoyed this video, please think about sticking around, and I will catch you in the next one.